Real women murders, not fiction. Love women, don't kill them. Giving real women, unknown women, recognition to the world. Please support our channel and please subscribe.
Mother's body was found in a U-Haul truck.
The woman is 25-year-old Tara Groves. The heartbreaking discovery happened June 9th at a U-Haul storage facility off the Katy Freeway near Gessner and Spring Branch. KPRC2's Coralie Peel is live there now. She spoke with Groves' husband. Coralie, this is devastating for them.
There are a lot of unanswered questions surrounding Tara Groves' death, and her estranged husband tells me he has no idea who would hurt her and leave her body in a truck at this storage facility. Loving and kind is how Kenneth Williams describes his estranged wife, Tara Groves.
She was a sweetheart. She was outgoing. She was a sweetheart. She was a mother above all things, you know, and she's just a good person.
Police say the 25-year-old mother's body was found in a U-Haul truck on June 9th.
It's been rough. It's been emotional, kind of an emotional roller coaster. It's not something you want to wake up and hear, especially when you got a child.
Williams says he and Groves have been separated for several months, but share a 2.5-year-old son. He spoke with her last month, but says he got a call weeks later saying she was missing.
And how long was she missing before she was found?
I want to say days, maybe a total of a week. Yeah, from actually when her uncle filed a report to when she was found.
HPD says officers received an anonymous call saying a body was inside the U-Haul truck. When officers arrived, they could smell a foul odor. Investigators say the U-Haul had been towed to the storage facility. Employees later found Groves' body inside, wrapped in plastic. At this time, it's unclear how she died.
I hope it's resolved and we find out what happened and why it was done, and most of all, that they get punished for it.
Williams hopes whoever killed the mother of his child comes forward. I spoke with HPD, and at this time they say no arrests have been made and no suspects have been named. But if you have any information, you are urged to call HPD or Crime Stoppers. Reporting live from West Houston, Coralie Peel, KPRC.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.